Morning, guys. It's our second day here in Chamonix. So let's see what we can see from our window.
Yeah.
And there you go, snow falling.
I'm unstoppable. Unstoppable. I'm untouchable. Untouchable. You can't stop me. I feel like I'm standing on top of the world right now. I'm unstoppable. Unstoppable. I'm untouchable. Untouchable. You can't stop me. This is my time to show the world. Hey, I'm unstoppable. You can't buy creativity. Nope. You can't buy this shit that God put in me. No way. The shit's sacred to me. The shit is holy. Yeah. Every day I jump so many obstacles, but still I remain unstoppable. I get my momentum from the Most High, and that's what gets me by. I ain't never.
म त यस्तो जाडो भइरहेछ जाडोले म कस्तो भइरहेछ यस्तो लुगा लगाइदिनु पानी नभएर त्यतिर देख्नु पर्छ बाफ आइरहेको
I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. Nothing you say or do can change my fate. Nope. If you're listening to this, it's too late. Too late. It's too late, fam. It's too late. I already ate. If you think we care, you're mistaken. You're mistaken. If you think we care, you're mistaken. You're mistaken. If you think we care, you're mistaken. You're mistaken. If you think we care, you're mistaken. You're mistaken. You're mistaken. You're mistaken. Oh, you're mistaken. You're mistaken. What?
Hello, everyone. Hello, Doma.
Hello.
So, where are we heading towards right now?
We are heading towards Cascard. Be careful.
Where?
Cascard, do that.
Cascard du Lac.
Yes.
What is it about?
It's just short hiking, and from the top we can see the nice view of this city called Chamonix.
Okay.
Okay.
How long it takes?
It takes around 1.5 hours.
1.5 hour. So, how long have you already walked?
I have just started.
Just started?
Yes, I think it's just been 15 minutes.
15 minutes before? Okay. So how are you feeling? How is the walk?
Because if I don't walk, I feel very cold. So
Yeah.
walking makes my body more heat.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this. And here we go. Here I am with your rock and roll. I'm having fun, man. Okay, let's hike this round. Let's go. Take it out.
Cable cut. भोलि हामी त्यहीँ चढ्ने।
Yo!
कसी
Yeah.
ए दर्शकबिनहरुको लागि एउटा डान्स गरेर देखाइदिनु न ल
एउटा डान्स ल यही गीत ठिकै छ नि हैन
यो गीत ठिकै छ ल
अहिले अलिकति हिउँ परिरहेको छ ओके समोनी सहर यहाँ छ सहरबाट यहाँसम्म हामी 15-20 मिनट हिँडिसकेको छौँ सो हिउँ अलिकति परेको हुनाले नाच्नु लागिरहेछ Okay, here we are at Plan Augie Park. Okay, here's Doma. How are you feeling?
I'm tired.
I'm feeling cool or it's okay?
It's not so cold, but
Yeah.
before it was very cold.
It was
But
cool?
I walked for a long time, so my body is full of heat.
Okay. Yo, here. It's your boy, the net guy. Oh yeah, for me it's we have already walked 15 minutes from down the Chamonix city. So we are, as we already mentioned, that we are hiking for Cascard du Dard. It's called it's top. You know, it's like 1.5 hour. It takes 1.5 hour. So yeah, I'm just cool, you know, just living and enjoying the moment, you know. Yo, are you tired?
I'm very tired.
So we got the snow. We do like this, and then here, and if there is a man, then we hit like this. Woo-hoo-hoo! We hit like this. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! You.
Very tired.
Keep walking, keep walking. A little bit of snowfall. It feels good. Domes. Let's go. A little bit snow falling. She's struggling. के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँ यहाँ?
म एकछिन रेस्ट लिएको यता.
ओहो. कति मिनट हिँड्यो?
हामी 1 घन्टा त बेसी हिँड्यो.
अहिले के हिउँ परिरहेछ है?
एकदम उकालो अनि मोटो मान्छे हिँड्नु गाह्रो हुने अनि यसरी दुईटा लट्ठी लिएर हिँड्नुपर्छ. बोलिरहेछ तर मजा यस्तो आनन्द आइरहेछ.
सुनसान छ है?
सुनसान.
म चाहिँ अनि जुत्ता यस्तो छ अनि यस्तो छ. यो म त ठिक छु है. हिँड्नु पर्यो नि बाबाले हिँड्नु.
तपाईँ 3-4 घन्टा हिँड्नु पर्यो भने सक्नुहुन्छ?
Right. Yo guys, right now it's snowing here. Yeah. Yo, you can check around the views. We have almost walked 1 hour from the downhill city of Chamonix. Okay, now we are getting near. Now it's almost like 25 minutes walk from here to get till Cascard du Dard. So yeah, it's at the top. So yeah, Doma is a little bit having trouble of walking, so that I get her 2 sticks so that she can walk easily. You can see. Okay, let's go, Doma. Come slowly. खोइ के गरे यसले बाटो यताबाट हो हैन हाल्सी लागेर यहाँबाट हिँड्दैछ गर्न खोजे के हो खोइ छिटो धेरै नबोल छिटो हिँड Keep moving.
Where are we?
We are just nearby Cascade du Dach. So, yeah, we are here.
Oh, full of snow. Look at.
Come on. अलिकति रेस्ट गर्ने Keep moving. So अहिले चाहिँ हामी जङ्गलको आधी बाटो पुगिसकेका छौँ हामी लगभग 1 घन्टा हिँडिसक्यो होला सो यस्तो छ अब हिउँ पर्दैछ अनि निकै बसिसक्यो हिउँ ओके हेर्नु न अब ती बसिसक्यो चप अब ढोमा चाहिँ हिँड्न नसकेर 2टा स्टिक बोकिरहेछ अनि उसलाई यस्तो हाल्नुपर्छ कि कहिलेकाहीँ अनि खेदाउनुपर्छ छिटो हाले हिँड्ने अब 2टा स्टिक खोजिदिएको त्यसपछि चाहिँ हल्का छिटो हिँड्न थाल्यो ठिक छ उसको नि इम्प्रुभ हुँदैछ म त माथि पहाडतिरै जन्मेको भएर होइन यस्तो हाम्रो गाउँतिर कञ्चनजङ्घा एरियामा यस्तो त नर्मल हो होइन हाँस पोखरीतिर भइरहेको छ यस्तो ट्रायलहरू हाइकिङहरू सो उसको लागि चाहिँ अब काठमाडौँमा जन्मेको हुनाले गाह्रो छ उसको लागि चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम होइन अनि उहाँ यसरी हिँड्दै हुनुहुन्छ या यस्तो छ जाउँ ननस्टप थाक्यो नि बस्नु हुँदैन कि एकछिन उभिएर बस्ने होइन त्यसपछि हिँड्ने सर्टकट छोडिदियो न हिँड्दा न
Hello, Tashi.
हेलो
कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ तपाईलाई
त्यति साह्रो जाडो पनि छैन त्यति साह्रो तातो पनि छैन Yo, Doma, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
You're feeling great?
Yes.
Why are you feeling so great?
Because it's
Because
such
why?
an amazing experience.
Such an
To be at
amazing
to be on the higher altitude, you know.
higher altitude.
Yes.
How about this place and
Oh, this place is fantastic. It's great for mountaineering. It's great for
hiking?
fancy city, you know, and the views are really so mesmerizing. Yeah.
Actually,
And
it's
a tourist area, and it really attracts the tourist. It's perfect.
yeah. In my point, Chamonix is a place with the vibes of city life, along with the mountain life. You know, if when you can walk like 1 hour, 2 hours from the city, you can get to the hills, mountains. Yeah, and then city with the mountain life. You know, and where are we right now?
We are at Cascard.
Cascard do that. Yeah. So along the route,
Yes.
there is snowfall. Hey,
It's gonna get dark, so we have to
move faster. Okay. See you there. Sure. Rock. So अब चाहिँ हामी फर्किँदैछौँ होइन. So okay, let's go. लट्ठी चाहिँदैन? हो. Okay. जो यस्तो छ अब ओह्रालो है. Let's go.
Your eyes, the minute that you started talking hit me and I realized I'm hella nervous. I try to be as tough as I can. You got me feeling like a G and now I'm finally the man. Girl, you deserve the best. I know you hella stressed when you got the ones around you causing such a mess. I truly think that you're an angel in disguise. Soul ties both together in another life. Damn, it don't matter if it's wrong to say. I think we're meant to be together on another day. Hey, with everything in common, there will never be a reason for a compromise. Ain't no worries of a fight. You know with me it's hella easy to survive. I would never worry about you with another guy. Little slice of heaven, you will be my blessing. 747, and we finally landed. Take you to a paradise, roll the dice, and wherever that you pick, we flying out tonight. Yeah, girl, you know that I'm into you. Take you to my home and show you how I really do. I really want the best for you, and I believe the key is truly me. Let's get together, living life as if it was a dream.